What's going on, everybody? Brad here again. Breaks for fun. Filling another division draft style break. Box number 2 of the night. Go ahead, guys. Let me know if everybody's back so we can do some randoms, see who's going to draw first, do some picking of the teams. We got Ryan, Kelly, and Kevin in this one again. Each one of them took 2 spots. Everybody here, everybody here. Get ready, get set, go. All right, I haven't heard from the other two yet, so there we go. Here we go again with the virtual die. Once to set. Second time is going to be how many times we roll. Good luck, everybody. Once to set. It's at 7. Goes to 5. Lucky number 5. There's everybody's names. Ryan, Kevin, Kevin, Ryan, Kelly, Kelly. Got once. Twice. 3 times. 4 times. 5th and final time. Kelly, Ryan, Kevin, Kelly, Ryan, Kevin. That went in a full pattern. Kelly, Ryan, Kevin, Kelly, Ryan, Kevin. Right on. So I'm going to write that down. I'm going to jot these down real quick. Kelly, you got number 1 pick again, man. Kelly got 10 teams. Kev got 10. And Ryan got 10. All right. On to the draft tracker. All right, Kelly. You want me to link you up with the draft board again? There's your guys' draft tracker boards if you want. Or I guess I could just show you guys if you want as we go along. Get my cords up out of the way. Cardinals with the number 1. And then we got Ryan and Kevin. See, but if I do this, then I just can't see the chats and stuff. So I'll pull away from this actually. That way I can still read the chat with you guys. So the Cardinals are first off the board. Look at Kelly. Pirates. Kev. Minnesota. Back to Kelly, Ryan, and then Kevin twice. So it was Kelly, Ryan, Kevin. Cleveland Indians. There's got to be a Frazier somewhere in here. Ryan and then Kev. You got Ryan and then Kevin twice, actually. Red Sox. Kevin twice. Kevin twice. And then back to Ryan. Dodgers D-backs. LA Dodgers and the D-backs. Ryan. And then Kelly. Then Kevin. Yankees. All right, Kelly and then Kevin, Ryan, Kelly. Kelly, Kevin, Ryan, Kelly. That'd be sweet. I'd be down for a plea. The Fighting Phils. Kevin, Ryan, Kelly twice. The Mets. Mr. Ryan and Kelly twice. Seattle's off the board. Kelly, it's on you twice, and then back to you, Ryan. Seattle. White Sox and Orioles. White Sox and Orioles off the board. Ryan and Kevin. Next three are Ryan, Kelly, and Kevin. Or Ryan, Kevin, and Kelly, excuse me. KC. Tampa Bay Rays. I like it. Now we're rolling. Kelly, Ryan, Kevin. Astros, Astros, Astros. That a boy. Ryan and then Kevin doubles up. Cubbies. Kevin for the next two, Ryan, and then Kelly. So the Cubs were the last team picked. Yeah, what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. Rockies and Marlins, Colorado and Miami. Ryan and then Kelly. Ryan and then Kelly. Angels going big time. Kelly, Kevin, Ryan. Braves. Kevin and then Ryan. And then Kelly, Kelly. Kevin, Ryan, Kelly, Kelly. The Padres. No, I know what you meant. San Diego. Ryan and Kelly, and double it up, Kel. Padres off the board. Wells, Vagina. Tigers. Detroit. Kelly, Kelly. Back to back in it. A's and Rangers. Alrighty, Ryan, Kevin, and then Kelly. Cincinnati. Kevin, Kelly, and Ryan. And then Kevin will get the last team. Rangers were already taken. Falcon just took them. He took the Athletics and the Rangers. Should have the Brewers, the Giants, the Jays, and the Nats left. Giants, Brewers, Jays, and Nats. Nats for Kev. 369. So we got Kelly and Ryan. Giants, Brewers, Jays. Giants, Brewers, Jays. Brewers, huh? Milwaukee. Ryan's your last choice, and then you're going to leave. Yep. San Francisco, that leaves you with Toronto, Kev. All right, everybody. That means that we are done. Now we need to pick a box. Top or bottom? Top or bottom? We got Kelly with the Cardinals, the Indians, the Phillies, the White Sox, the Orioles, the Astros, the Braves, the A's, the Rangers, and the Brewers. Top. And Ryan has the Pirates, the Red Sox, the Yanks, the Mariners, the Royals, the Cubs, the Angels, the Tigers, the Reds, and the Giants. Kevin has Minnesota Twins, Dodgers, D-backs, Mets, Rays, Rockies, Marlins, Padres, Nats, and the Blue Jays. Right on. Good luck, everybody. That was our top box. Let me actually pull that a little closer so that when we do the pullaways or whatever, it's not gonna. Don't you know that illegal to do stuff during box topper? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing. Nothing. 6 packs. Let me push that down actually a little bit. All right, guys. Good luck. Good luck. Yeah, let's get something low numbered, huh? They definitely aren't sitting right, so maybe that's a good sign. All right, Clayton Blackburn and Jock Pederson duel. How do you put a Giant and a Dodger on the same card? That shouldn't be allowed. Should not be allowed. And Ryan starting us off. The Trey Ball. Trey Ball base auto. Kelly picking off where he left off. Picking up where he left off. There you go. Courtney Hawkins. And they all got like little white fuzzies. Courtney Hawkins for the White Sox. And for the Mets. Goes out to Kevin. Dominic Smith. Dominic Smith for Kevin. All base in that one, though. All base. Yeah, the box toppers are like 1 in 3,000 cases or something silly like that. So it's definitely not like they used to. Like 2010 used to have them in every single box. Base card refractor. Matt Barnes. 142 out of 199. 142 out of 199. Dylan Overton for the A's. Base auto. Goes out to Kelly. Dylan Overton. And another one goes out to Kelly. Cord Sandberg for the Phillies. Base auto. And this guy is a Rocky. Colorado. Kev. Ryan McMahon. This one is out of 75 orange. 57 out of 75. Let me do the quick little once over on it. Not a bad looking card there. Not a bad looking card. A little color, a little color. Uh-oh, redemption. Redemption. Here's for the Twins, Byron Buxton. Also going out to Kev. 52 out of 199 on the refractor Buxton. Come on, Puig. Billy McKinney for the A's. Who's got the A's in the house? Kelly killing it again. Can't say that that's his nicest auto, though. But he's a big prospect. Tyler Austin for the Yankees. Goes out to Ryan. And brrr. Let me get it. Zoom in. There we go. Ooh, green. Autograph prospect green. Refractor of. Boom! Clint Frazier in the house. Finally decided to show up. Too bad it's not a live one, which I don't understand. He's got some live ones and he's got some non-live ones, but nonetheless, still a nasty Clint Frazier. Congrats, Kelly. There's a Profar base card. It's the first one of that I've seen too. Profar base card. Another Miami hit. Trevor Williams. Trevor Williams for Miami. Jupro. Eduardo Rodriguez. What did I say? Did I not say Trev? Eduardo Rodriguez. Man, this camera's just having issues with this light right now. And the last one, not too shabby here. Ty Walker for the Mariners is going out to Ryan. Yep, Ryan getting that bad boy. Very nice. Man, I can't wait for that dude to just like actually make his name. Seems like we've been hearing about him for a while. All right, another Colin Moran base card. Man, this camera is just not wanting to. There we go. Colin Moran base card. Number. And Aaron Blair. Aaron Blair base. Goes out to the D-backs. Kev's pulling himself a couple hits this time. Reese McGuire. There you go, Ryan. Reese McGuire base auto. And the last one of this pack goes out to Ryan as well. Alan Webster. Alan Webster. All right, guys. Last pack. Last pack. Let's get some last pack mojo. Ha. Carlos Martinez for St. Louis. Kelly. Non-numbered base card. John Denny for the Red Sox. John Denny for the Red Sox. Devin Williams. Devin Williams for Milwaukee. And that goes out to Kelly. And the last hit, more color. It's a May out of 50. Jacob May, 5 out of 50. 5 out of 50 for the White Sox. Goes out to Kelly. We pulled the out of 25 one of him in like one of the first 2 boxes as well. So there's a Jacob May out of 50. Williams for Milwaukee. John Denny for the Red Sox. Alan Webster for the Red Sox. Reese McGuire, Pirates. Aaron Blair, D-backs. Ty Walker, Mariners. Eduardo Rodriguez, Baltimore. Trev Williams, Miami. This bad boy, Green Clint Frazier. Tyler Austin for the Yanks. Billy McKinney for the A's. Ryan McMahon for the Colorado Rockies. This one is numbered out of 75, orange. Cord Sandberg for the Phillies. Dylan Overton for the A's. Dominic Smith for the Mets. Courtney Hawkins for the White Sox. And Mr. Trey Ball for the Red Sox. And I'll show some base real quick. Not that we had anything that was killer. Carlos Martinez base. Colin Moran base. Profar base. We had a Buxton, numbered out of 199. Matt Barnes, 199. And Clayton Blackburn, I almost said Chase. Clayton Blackburn and Jock Pederson, Dodgers, Giants. So there you guys have it. There's box number 2, Division Draft Style. Hope everybody enjoyed. Thanks again, everybody. Appreciate it. I'm going to cut away real quick. Check out breaks.mybigcommerce.com. Until next time, thanks, everybody.